Welcome to MetJeffUK.com. This is Jeff Jacobs with your 7-day look ahead video, and today is the 23rd of November 2013. As always, we start with the Met Office charts, and as you can see, I've gone into Wednesday's chart. Simple reason is because they're all the same, really. Things don't change much. Basically got high pressure sitting over the British Isles. It moves around a bit to the east, a bit to the west. Its general movement is westerly, but very slowly, and generally speaking, it's going to influence our weather for most of next week and probably into the following weekend. So, looking on the GFS charts, for Monday and Tuesday of next week, you can see the high pressure really establishing itself. Two cells actually beginning to develop, really high pressure indeed, and it's just extending itself all the time into France and into the Mediterranean, giving them some lower and drier spell after all the rain they've had recently. But what it will do is drag in some really cold air from the Arctic, and this cold air will push its way south across Europe. Now that's going to be eventually pushing its way towards us, because this massive area of cold air, and quite heavy air at that, of course, it's going to be gradually sinking its way towards us, and it looks like it's going to split these highs in half. One half going to the east, and the other one going to the west. It's in confirmation that there's still, quite a lot of cold air across Asia and into Europe. Excuse me, and also North America, especially northeastern America. Beginning to get some really cold weather, all the way down to the Gulf, I'm afraid, into Florida. Some really cold weather, and a little snow as well. Western parts of America becoming slightly less cold, but here an awful lot of snow as well. And very quickly looking at December, this is the CFS, of course, and this is showing us that models really are saying high pressure is going to develop to the north, and things will be at or just below normal for December. Going into January, distinctly colder then, of course. Looks like 2 or 3 degrees below average, so quite cold. January's a cold month anyway, so 2 or 3 degrees colder is going to be very cold. And looking at it, could be quite a bit of snow as well. About February, it tends to warm up. The models want to warm it up on February with high pressure developing, so quite settled, and with southerly winds becoming slightly less cold. But March, on the other hand, good deal colder again. In fact, a lot of snow over France and southern counties look like being predicted, with the high really getting itself together up to the north. This is a really cold picture for March, if it comes true. And finally, with a quick look at April, and then we see the high pressure moving off to the east and gradually becoming more unsettled in the west, and temperatures beginning to recover to normal for that particular month of April. May looks pretty cool and unsettled at the moment, but again, this is model forecasting, which will change all the time. But that's the look at your weather. All else to really say is I'll see you again very shortly, and remember, whatever your weather, enjoy it. Bye for now.